go get her hair done. I thought my appointment was at 3:30, and I didn't bother looking at the confirmation email, and the confirmation email said 12:15. No, I would have never agreed to a 12:15 hair appointment because I go to school and my class ends at 12. So I would never be able to make it up here in time for a 12:15 hair appointment. But anyways, we're making it work. We're letting it do what it do. And I'm trying to get there on time. I'm still in my uniform and everything going to my hair appointment. I'm gonna have to get my hair washed and all of that. But I love Nikki, so we'll make it work. Okay, my hair always turns out how I want it. And we're supposed to be going to Miami on Saturday. So this is my hair. I actually just got back. Kind of fixed the front a little bit. Yeah. House tour.
House tour,
Gee whiz,
My
lights are off yet.
I'll turn the lights on so you can see what you're looking at. It looks much different.
No smoking.
I can't order things to do. And then the dining area.
You're about to run up the
And then the kitchen.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Look at me.
Oh, nice, cutesy. Mahlani, wait until everybody is dressed. Wait until everybody is dressed. And then this is the living area. And then master bedroom. A full walk-in closet with hangers if you prefer. Toilet. And then we have 2 showers. This one is a tub. Oh, yeah, we don't.
Where's Mom? Yeah.
I'm right here.
I'm one sheep.
Is this gonna be your guys' rooms?
Yeah.
Why are you gonna sleep by yourself? And I'm gonna be on the bed sleeping. Mommy, where's the black one of these?
I don't know. Please pick up all your clothes from off the floor. You and Mahlani. Thank you. Now look at this. 1, 2. More games. Bam. This is the kids' room. Yeah.
Mom, I'm gonna be sleeping on the top. I'm sleeping on the top one. I'll sleep on the top one. Sleep.
This is another room. We turn the lights off. the backyard. Yeah.
This is my little bathing suit. But I have the bottoms on under. Dad just doesn't like when I wear bottoms like that though.
And there's Mommy. Pool is a bit tiny. But there is Mommy. And that's your house tour. So we're in Miami.
Can I not dry these rocks up now on the corners? They are delicious. Bobby, look! Bobby, every time I stand up, look! He's saying he cannot get up.
Okay.
Here, do we have any snacks here?
No. We have juice.
Huh?
No, we have juice. Your dad's gonna have to go
Bobby,
get snacks and
how
stuff.
long am I underwater?
The best one from me, but I'm like,
The ground in the pool feels so cool. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
The ground in
So it is Sunday and we are heading to Bicentennial Park or Bayfront Park to go to Miss of the Best. We had to make a pit stop at Walmart to get some cash, and we had to Babe had to get some eye drops. But yeah, the fit, the makeup, the face is sitting. Oh yeah.
This is the future of reggae, right here. Yeah. Opera is do tonight, and then Romney and Virgo. God told you, boy. You know what?
So I'm at school early today, and I've been crying all night. I hugged Babe and I've been crying ever since, okay? And this is the part that no one shows. I feel like I'm dropping the ball being a mom. I'm able to have enough energy where I can take the kids to the park or take them to the library or take them to like the bouncy house place that they love to go to. And for the past few weeks I have not been able to do that. Like I come home from school at 5 and I am like crashed. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. And quite frankly, I feel like I'm dropping the ball being a mom. And I feel like I'm dropping the ball being a wife. I feel like I'm dropping the ball with my household. Like, I have clothes in the garage that needs to be folded, and they've been sitting there for like over a week. Like, that's never been me, ever. The balance is very hard, and this is the part that people don't talk about and they don't show you. But I don't want to be a mom that engulfs himself only in motherhood, and I have no career, no hobbies, no life outside of being a mom. That has never been something that I aspire to or wanted for me, and I don't want that for my daughter either. So I'm setting the example of trying to find the hard balance between having it all, and quite frankly right now I feel like I'm doing a piss poor job, and that's a big part. But all the other stuff is still valid, all the other points are still valid. Like, I've cried my way here to school. I've been coming to school super late. I almost missed one of my tests yesterday because I was late to school. My life has just been in shambles, and that's another reason why I haven't been uploading videos. I've just been exhausted, and adding content creation to it has not been something that I wanted to prioritize. Like I always say, if it comes down to school or content, school is gonna always come first. And I feel like since now we're in the summer semester and I have multiple classes, multiple clinicals, I haven't got to a place where I feel like I'm managing all my schoolwork and everything, where I can also add content. But I'm going to get back to content creation, and I'm gonna get my life together, and I'm gonna start tomorrow. I'm going to fold the clothes, I'm going to cook dinner, and I'm going to actually take my kids somewhere tomorrow. So you're about to have the time of your life. My camera is dirty. Nah. Okay. So as you guys can see, we just got home. I just took Mahlani on a play date to it's a new place. It's called Candyland here, and she had 2 of her classmates, and she had 2 hours of my undivided attention, and she had fun with her friends. So I kind of feel like less of a bad mom. But I still have stuff to do. The house is pretty clean. Babe actually cleaned up, and I've been cleaning up look a bit here and there. But I still have clothes to fold. I don't know when I'm gonna get that done, but I need to get it done. But yeah, I've been getting things done little by little. So in here is clean and tidy. The only thing I have less on my agenda is actually folding my clothes, and tomorrow Mahlani have a dance recital, so we're going to be doing that also. So until tomorrow, see y'all. So it's the next day, and you see all this clothes? I finally feel like I'm being a good spouse. Honestly, there are certain things that need to be done, and I always pride myself on doing them, and that's like doing the laundry and folding the clothes and stuff like that. So this is my little ode to spousehood, or partnership, I should say. Ask my husband when was the last time he folded a piece of clothes. He'll probably tell you about 5 years. And I'm the one that does it. It's not because he don't want to help. I normally do it because he's normally busy doing something else, and quite frankly, I feel like it's the only thing that I do by myself because he does everything else. Okay, we do them equally. So yeah, I have clothes in the dryer and I have clothes in the washer, and I think I'm gonna be folding clothes all day, but I'm cool with that because I'm here alone and I need to study also. But yeah, I feel better. I think this is the best part about doing laundry. It's finding money.
You're gonna get there looking raggedy. You gotta keep yourself together, okay? You're looking gorgeous right now.
Here. You could put some juice in your cup.
I need some. Where's my sunglasses at?
Adjust
Once, all you can take is a picture with my sunglasses on.
Take a picture with your sunglasses on. But you gotta fix your face though. You gotta put a little smile on your face. Don't mess up your hair.
How many does she have?
Put your hands up.
So I'm home from Mahlani's dance recital. She did an amazing job. She got 2 medals. She even got invited to the competition team, meaning more intense choreography, technique, training, and all that stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that just yet, but she's been invited. I'm exhausted, as you guys can see, but I feel like less of a bad mom. So I can definitely take that. That's something I can take. With that being said, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
And then later that week, Mahlani had her birthday, and she chose to have her birthday at Chuck E. Cheese. This time it was a little bit different because she had her friends and her classmates there, which is why I didn't want to post a lot of the pictures, because that's other people's children. So with that being said, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.